Mermade Hair for sponsoring this video, by the way. It is genuinely the only waver I use to create this look, and I am so excited. 2 different wavers. This one is the Mermaid Pro Waver in 32mm, and this is the Mermaid Pro Waver 25mm. So obviously this one is smaller. Just to put them up close so you guys can see the difference in size. What I absolutely love about these wavers is that you can adjust the temperature. So as you can see here, you have some buttons. You've got the on-off button, you've got a button to increase the temperature, and you've got a button to decrease the temperature. So I'm just going to turn it on like so. And I've just set it to 180 degrees. So as you can see, the temperature is rising. I don't know if you can see that. It's like 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. There's just something about it. It's like the vibes, the cocktails, the music. I just can't wait. So I'm just going to do the rest of my hair now and speed this process up, and I'll be back in a bit. So that is the first half of my hair done, as you guys can see. I'm now going to grab my extensions and I'm going to put the waver on them. You can see that I have waved them before, but I just wanted to make them more defined and yeah, just do it again really. All look like it's sticking together, and that is